Hello everyone, this is Bonnie from Eastern Tech. Today I'm going to introduce our EW2605 power plug cable test machine. The customized tooling is according to our customer's request. English panel, easy operation, and you can see there is single head and double side. For this cable, you can see this is from our customer. It is single head, so when we test the machine, we will use single head for this cable plug testing. And high volt meter, you can check if your cable meets your request according to the meter count. So if you need more information about this model, welcome to contact us. This is Bonnie from Eastern Tech. Thank you.